How to add Snapchat filter to a picture from gallery on iPhone. So the steps are all the same. You can use this on your Android device or your iPhone. Now open Snapchat app. After you open the Snapchat app, now tap on this gallery icon to upload your picture. So from this option, now go and tap on this camera roll. So from this camera roll, go and search for the picture you want to add filter to it from your gallery. So for me, I'll just go ahead now and search for a filter for a picture. I'll use this picture, this one. After you select the picture like this, now if you want to add filter to it, so tap on this little arrow. So from this section, now you can go ahead now and add different things to this picture. So I will just add filter. So tap on this, as you can see now, do like this. So by doing like this, as you can see now, by swiping to right or left, now you can just go ahead now and choose a filter to this picture. So go ahead and select a filter to this picture. So after you select the filter you want to add, as you can see now, after you select like the filter you want to add to the picture like this, now if you want to download the picture, just tap on this export button. By tapping on this export button, now scroll to left, swipe to left like this and tap on this download button. Now you download the picture. That's it guys on how to add filter to a picture from gallery on iPhone. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.